Hello crownies, welcome back to our vlog. Today we have a new update in our boat, guys. It's been a while that um we've been wanting to update you with this boat because yeah, finally we finally have found a painter for our boat. So but yeah, we're gonna show you around. But first, before I'm going to show you the painter. Brothers and the people who we hire for installing the engine finally have some big update. First is new wheel. This is from our old car, so we're gonna install it. Of course, we're gonna paint this one because it looks shit, and they are now installing this. This is Kuya who's gonna install the turning the, what is this, steering wheel, yeah. And then what they also did is installing, oh, that looks bad there, installing this propeller. Actually, they tried to install it already. And unsa tong isa do, propeller, and this, to guide the boat like this. But since brothers are going to go home for Christmas, the workers told us that better we will remove the propeller and this, like that, because people is going to steal it because it's a brand new. It's bronze, pure bronze propeller, so it's expensive, and they always remove it, just like other boats too. As you can see, these boats here, these boats here, they also remove the propeller, and our they also install it today, this one. But this here, but they gonna remove it in case somebody will steal it. So anyways, here is the update of the painting of our boat. There, we still gonna put here home port Cebu. This is the water level that we have. As you can see, it's huge, guys. It's a lot of space. This one, and this is the name, MILA LOTTA. So we changed the lettering of this one, guys, because I like this one better. And this is our body number for our boat. So sorry guys, I look like this because today it was so hot. Look, Andre is already like a crab. Hello. So red. But guys, we have a problem with painting because yeah, it's the painter complained that it's too complicated, the lettering, so he gonna ask more. So we said no, just do this part here, the body number and the name, that's all. And this, we wanted to make this our website like www.csl Panglao, but he said he will ask for more because the lettering I chose this time, he said it's complicated and it takes time, so you're gonna ask for more. And then
brother is dreaming already.
Look at my brother.
Brother, you're dreaming already.
Oh, you cannot see it from here, guys. Yeah, so Andrea and I said like, okay, just do this body number and this website name.
Das Gefühl, oder the lettering is smaller? Look, it's getting smaller. Oh?
What?
Show them the cooling system. That's
Yeah.
what they also didn't saw yet.
Yeah, they also installed a cooling system now. This is the cooling system, guys. Also the other side, they also installed the same thing. And our plan actually is to make a blessing, boat blessing, also Christmas party, that we made this boat successfully. And but the problem is the plan needed to change because the company we hired for installing the boat took longer than what we expected. So we moved it. Hopefully by New Year we can do this party finally, because we needed to cancel everyone who will supposedly come. So yeah. And also look, sit at to a link ko to do. This one is comes from also the company. They have an old boat and they wanna throw this chair, so they gave it to us. I don't know if they wanna charge it or something, but this is this is what my brother is doing now. There, try. It's gonna be like that. And so if he would drive this way, he can easily see this area here and the guests. So that's why
Brother,
it's good.
you try.
Don't break the chair, yeah. Not that you're gonna first try and directly breaking.
Merp, merp. We install also shots with a nylon here and then merp, merp.
It's a bit low for you, right? But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not like car driving a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gee, you can do like this.
The
Or you can use but brother, we buy
For a car, there is this.
yeah, there is.
for holding.
Yeah, we can do. Yeah.
I think for DSWD, DSWD, PWD,
Yeah, it's PW brother.
PWD.
Yeah, we can do.
What?
We
Is
buy
it a
this
good idea?
this thing and we can.
Yeah.
Of course, why not?
Kung katong strap nga.
Brother, and then we make here cover.
No,
Why not?
only here. Because here is for
They will cut
the
this
way
one.
for going.
They will remove this part.
They cut here. Because how to go inside?
Oh.
Here? Ay.
Yeah, but where are we gonna put all the buttons?
All this one?
Yeah, but we need to put that. It's
I
too
think here.
far. We make here, right?
Yeah, here.
And then we make here like engine, cooling, thermal
Thermal.
temperature,
Mm.
and then here we make the buttons for gas.
Brother, the temperature is only here. We put because they not it's not enough the wire from the water because they put the water the box.
That's shit. I wanted to have all like this,
Yeah.
like a
Or-
car, you know.
Or better we put here and this part is hole for setting the
Okay, but then we make here, we
Or
make here
Bernard.
cover. We make here cover,
Mm.
and then here the buttons for pump, light.
Mm.
We get really worried. What I wonder is electricity.
Do you have devil inside you or what? And then Kuya's going to install this one to hold the engine. So he make this lock.
So, hello from my side. Yeah, Jamie showed you now the boat, and we are done here. For everyone who wants to know, and today it's Christmas Day. It's Christmas night. It's December 24, so we are going home now. We have a little bit struggle with the painter because it's not the one who was doing it in the first time. And this guy, he is a little bit complicated. He's always trying to find a reason to get more money. So now actually we wanted to have more design or more stuff, and then he always say like, yeah, but your lettering is so complicated that it costs more money. So we told him no, he has just to finish his current work, and then we will find other ways to do it, because you know, I'm a person, when he say a price and we make an agreement, he has to go with the agreement and not always trying to get money after all. Yeah, we are going home now. It's very hot today for Christmas night. It doesn't feel really like Christmas here in the Philippines. Yeah, we are going home now, and then we're gonna see what the day brings, or what the night brings. I have a little bit sunburn in my face and neck, but it's not so heavy like than other days. But today is a really hot day, and you guys can see I'm sweating also a lot. So we drive home now, and then we're gonna see what we are doing. Sitz, sitz, sitz. Das ist Platz. Say Merry Christmas to everyone. Huh? Merry Christmas? Yeah? JC. Merry Christmas? Teddy boy? Yeah. Yeah. Finally we are home. That's a really weird Christmas shot to this year.
You don't feel
I don't feel any Christmas,
Raus.
Apollo raus.
I don't know, maybe because we have so much expenses that
Raus.
now we don't want to spend more because we still have expenses.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is our Christmas party. We bought soft drinks and bread. There is no meat or something.
No, we just sleep tonight, guys. It's okay because we still need to save up because we wanna have christening and
Christening?
I know christening. No, blessing.
Ah, but Charmy has bought herself gifts.
This is
What
no,
is
this is
that?
the money I earned from nail shot, so don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
This one is for the boat. I needed to.
What is that?
I need to buy a nice garbage, small garbage toilet, for the
Toilet
boat.
garbage.
Toilet garbage, can, trash can, inside a toilet, so it looks really presentable because our toilet in the boat is very nice to design, and then you just gonna put a shit trash can, so that's what I want to show this to you. And I want to clean the house. This is it, Pancia. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's thin with the lights. It's very thin. And then look, guys. Look, Shatsi, come here. This is trash can. They press, I think they press, yeah. They have this one. It's just little, okay, so that every day we need to. And then here is the brush for toilet.
Interesting.
Interesting, right? So, yeah, this is the purpose of this. And then they have this one, so you can just take this out. Yeah, this is our boat. It's also suit for our boat. It looks very clean and small because we have small toilet, so we need small stuff. What is this? I don't know this. Oh. Now it's rainy season, guys. And we always drive to Panglao, and most of the time even though we need to go somewhere else because we needed to do something in the boat, so we cannot go because it's raining and we have no raincoat. So I bought raincoat for Andrew and I, but this time only mine arrived first, but his raincoat will arrive next days. So I have this jacket. Oh, it looks nice. It looks nice with these pants. So I'm gonna put this in the motorbike in case there is rain, so we can just stop by and put raincoat. Hopefully Andrew's raincoat will fit him.